Just made it up to the goat shop. See what we got good day. It's making some corner light pieces for me. So the Regal pieces that you can't buy new. I bought a separate set. And just thought it'd be a cool idea. If we're gonna make it a SEMA, let's try to get some cool pieces on it. So show y'all around the roaster shop chassis. $20,000, $30,000 just sitting there. Oh yeah, spec. Oh yeah, finally get to see the Grand National on the ground. Seeing the videos. Show the underside of this one. I might see if I got some clips I can include. Full powertrain, drivetrain upgrade, front to back, big turbo, pretty much frame off built. He did the custom wheel woods. Yeah, this one here is nice. A little darker. iPhone be trying to make paint look ashy. 69 build they got in here. Chevelle. Oh, another thing he's gonna help me out with is getting these bumpers re-chromed. They're pretty rough. They're not as bad as, you know, some guys out there. We going this route. Let's go ahead and get everything. New impact strips, new bumper guards. We'll make sure we're 100. Another classic. Take these off, man. Too much noise. Holly, if I could. Oh, my bad, it's a Ford. So he wanted to go modern radio. Sandman ended up machining this to replace this part. So still looks factory. That one goes in this spot. Then 3D printed these pieces because they're putting in AC as well. Technology is crazy, man. A lot of these guys can't get that creative and still maintain modern, or I guess I would say stock aesthetics. Super dope. Man, this thing is so sexy. I ride this any day. Any day. Go in here and see what they got going on with the machines. Custom billet pieces that he's making. This one here is 71 to 73 trim. Be able to get everything else, man. It's all business. I think he's making some trophies for Dunk Day. Those are so dope. Vert Life. That's parts room in there. That's pretty much how your wheels start. That's the block of aluminum that they cut everything out of. Here we got a couple more machines. Say, man. Dope little donk desk. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that video. So all the magic happens. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. So these are my corner and light pieces. I bought these as a random junk set so we could replicate it. So I had to spend $400 on a set of fenders to get this piece and the lenses, to spend another insurmountable amount to get it made out of billet, get it chromed, and that way replicate this impossible piece to find. So this is where we're starting at right now. He had to make this piece to even be able to touch a piece of billet this thin. So some work going behind it, man. I can't wait for y'all to see it though. And even then we got new lenses that are gonna be machined out of the acrylic. So when we talk about details, man, it's all in the details. It's all in the details. I guarantee you, you know, it might be a second set or a third set that comes on, but it ain't gonna be nobody that's been this far yet. The limited range. Here's my OG set I didn't want to sacrifice and take out, but we already stripped the car down for paint, so ended up bringing these two just in case we needed to back up. This is one of the first ones. But that's just gonna be one of these little pieces that's, you know, literally something that nobody's gonna really pay attention to for the most part, but it's gonna be one of those things I know it's done and we could talk about it later on. A lot of thought going into a little piece. But that's what make the car game cool, man. Back to some other stuff. Maybe go shoot the Grand National. Give y'all a look at this one. Been done all the way front to back. performance-wise, drivetrain, powertrain-wise. They put the 22-inch Grand National reps on it. Custom audio. So let me go shoot this one real quick, and I'll show y'all around the car. So rebuilt the whole motor, bigger turbos, everything. Pop the hood so y'all can see up under here. Dakota Digital. So dope. All the little details. Retro manufacturing radio. You get the seats. Oh yeah. Look at that out there. Like custom radiator support. Sandman Designs on that. Turbo. All new. Neck man. This thing's clean. That's ready. Yeah, but super clean. I said all new that. Big wheel woods with personalized calipers. Floater. That's one of my favorite parts too. Trunk has just got one JL10 in there. Actually, my motivation is just to do the 310s on my car. And it's got this cool little feature here. 12 gauge. And when you're ready to hide it, yeah, that's how you do it. Dakota Digital tails, LEDs. Say, man, super clean. Super clean. So you got the 2 6.5s. So pretty much I copied this whole car sound wise. So you got the 2 6.5s and the tweeters and the doors, but kept the concert sound, just extended it. Like you see in the optional or the Regal stuff. The 3-inch tweeters on the dash, and then 5 1/4 on the rear deck, and then 110. So I heard this one and I was like, oh yeah, I need all that. Just a little extra on top of it. Shot it, you'll see the picture soon, or you'll probably see the pictures before this video drops. But just want to give y'all a look while I was down here, you know, getting the parts made and all that stuff. So appreciate y'all checking in with me. I'll get back out of this heat, take y'all back to the shop.
Where's that one at? Oh, because I didn't get it all. Hang on. So I go movements. So what this program does is every one of these lines is got a million little dots in it, and it generates the codes X, Y, and Z for every little dot.
The add component program on the second fixture as well.
No, they should have added it already.
Background scene. Damn. Nah, that's beautiful, bro. That'd be cool. Yeah, man. Details. But gotta get sanded down, then we're gonna send them off to chrome. Figure out if we can replicate the emblem. But yeah, let me go get an OG piece. All right, the test fit is it. Looks pretty good. This is my fucked up fender though, so it's a little off, but it fits the pattern pretty good. Gaps look still like stock. Look up under it. So it should be good to go. Should be really good to go. Let's see what our lens would look like. So, all right, time to send these back. Let's go take them out to chrome.